If you're searching for an eStage review or trying to understand what the eStage platform actually is, this video will give you a clear look inside the system. In this video, we're going to explain what eStage is, how the platform works, and walk through some of the core features inside eStage, including the website builder, funnels, course hosting, and community tools that power the hub-centric business model. So, what is a hub? This is your business HQ online. A central hub is an all-in-one platform that serves as the core control center for everything your business needs to run, grow, and connect with your audience at the highest level. Instead of spreading tools and data across multiple platforms like your brand website, funnels, courses, store, memberships, community, social network, CRM, live events, affiliate center, etc., eStage consolidates all those functions in one central place. Build a real business and brand seamlessly and effectively. Delight your customers by giving them a unified experience, and generate more sales without spending more money. Your brand website. Your brand deserves more than a landing page. It needs a powerhouse digital presence. With eStage, you'll create a stunning, fully branded website that serves as the core of your business hub, without writing a single line of code. Build a sleek, responsive website that captures attention and converts visitors into customers. 100% ownership of your site and content, no plugins, no headaches, and no more relying on rented platforms. Launch in minutes with drag-and-drop simplicity and zero tech overwhelm. Your blog. Turn your knowledge into traffic, authority, and loyal followers. The eStage blog system helps you publish SEO-optimized content that drives organic growth and deepens audience trust, all from your central hub. Position yourself as an expert and attract inbound leads with content that sells. Integrated with your funnels, email, and offers, so every post drives results. Create, schedule, and manage all your content in one place. No more WordPress. Your funnels. High-converting sales funnels that don't require a tech team? eStage makes it easy. Build, test, and launch dynamic sales funnels that guide your audience from click to customer. Oh, and our funnels are drag and drop, and they are visual. That's right, you actually see the entire funnel, traffic, and conversions on Canvas with real-time data, conversions, and analytics. It's super fun. Create opt-in, sales, webinar, and product funnels with our proven high-converting templates, or just build as you like. Boost conversions with built-in A/B testing, upsells, and automation. All your funnel leads and buyers flow directly into your CRM and community. Your online store. Sell physical or digital products without needing Shopify, WooCommerce, or plugins. Your eStage store integrates seamlessly with every part of your hub for frictionless selling and fulfillment. Sell products, upsells, and subscriptions, all from one place. Accept payments, manage orders, and deliver instantly. Connected to your funnels, CRM, and email for powerful post-sale automation. Your courses. Launch a world-class course experience and deliver it natively on your hub with built-in learning management tools. No extra software or platforms needed. eStage empowers you to teach, engage, and monetize like never before. Deliver digital education with video, quizzes, and structured modules. Secure members-only access that boosts perceived value and completion rates. Easily package with your funnels, memberships, or live sessions for more profit. Memberships. Recurring revenue? Yes, please. eStage gives you everything you need to create and manage high-value membership sites directly inside your hub. Charge whatever you want with flexible billing terms and subscription options. Oh, and you keep 100% of the money. Set up recurring memberships in minutes with customizable access levels. Deliver content, community, and coaching all under one login. Increase customer lifetime value with exclusive perks and upgrades. How about community? Build a loyal tribe, not just customers. eStage allows you to create and launch your own private or public community with just one click. This increases retention, referrals, and engagement, all inside your own brand ecosystem. Create a branded discussion, hangout, and collab space where members support and inspire each other. Reduce churn by creating emotional connection and ongoing interaction. Monetize your community with exclusive access, content, and experiences. Okay, here we go. Your own private social network. Take back control from Facebook groups and launch your own private social network. fully branded, owned, and thriving inside your own hub in just one click. Imagine having your own full-fledged social network that you own and control. Users can connect, post, like, DM, and follow, just like a mainstream social platform, but fully yours. No algorithms, no distractions, your content always reaches your audience. Drive nonstop engagement with group chats, activity feeds, live streaming, community events, and so much more. Live streaming. Whether it's a product launch, coaching call, or live event, broadcast it live from your own platform. eStage brings enterprise-grade video live streaming directly to your hub with no limits. Whether you have 30 attendees or 30,000, your live streams will always be delivered perfectly across the world on all devices in real time. Go live to your audience without relying on YouTube, Zoom, or Facebook. Real-time chat, polls, CTAs for higher retention and interaction. Record and repurpose your streams instantly into evergreen content, private video library, or a webinar. Your video hosting. Stop paying to host your videos on other platforms and embedding third-party videos that distract and brandjack your content. eStage gives you secure native video hosting with extremely fast loading and full brand control. Upload and host videos natively in your hub. No ads, no distractions. Lightning-fast delivery across devices with high-definition playback. Keep your content secure while owning the full viewer experience. What about real-time chat? Your audience expects instant connection. Real-time chat tools inside eStage make conversations with your livestream audience, leads, customers, and community members seamless, native, and centralized. Whether you're hosting a public live event or a private meeting inside your community, real-time chat is a game changer and drives instant engagement, unlike anything else. One-on-one and group real-time chats with notifications and file sharing, built natively into your hub. Use real-time chat for your live streams, close sales, support users, or run internal team communication. Accessible on desktop or mobile for non-stop responsiveness. Your collaborations. Partner with other creators, coaches, and brands, without confusion and overwhelm. eStage makes collaborations easy with shared spaces, co-hosted events, and joint offers. This allows you to add multiple streams of additional income for your business without spending any money on ads. Invite others to co-create content, host events, or make offers right inside your hub. Shared calendars, chat, and permission-based access streamline teamwork. Leverage each other's audiences with secure cross-promotions and affiliate tracking. Would you like an affiliate center? Want an army of ambassadors selling for you? eStage lets you launch, manage, and scale your own affiliate program directly inside your platform. Set custom commissions, track performance, and pay affiliates automatically. Equip your partners with share links, assets, and live tracking. Explosive growth, powered by the people who already love your products. Your CRM. Track every lead, transaction, customer, and conversation in one smart visual dashboard. Your hub's native CRM is designed for simplicity, automation, and action, not clutter. View all members, sales, and activity at a glance. No learning curve. Manage products, bundles, tags, create discount coupons, and so much more with ease. Turn cold leads into hot buyers with personalized journeys and segmentation. Template Vault to get you started. Build your project from scratch or start with one of our stunning templates and build from there. We even have complete turnkey hubs that you can fully customize and launch within minutes. And last but not least, world-class support 24/7 365. At eStage, you're never alone. Whether you're launching your first project, building your brand hub, or scaling your digital empire, we've got your back. Our expert support team is available 24/7 to help you solve problems fast, answer questions clearly, and keep your business moving forward without friction. We don't outsource support. We deliver it. World-class, real-time, and relentlessly helpful. So that's a quick look inside the eStage platform and some of the core features that make up the system. If you want a deeper breakdown of how eStage works, the pros and cons, and whether eStage is worth it, I've put together a full written eStage review that walks through everything in detail. You can check that out using the link in the description. And if videos like this help you understand platforms like eStage and other online business tools, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more walkthroughs and independent reviews. Take back control of your brand, join the hub-centric movement, get started with eStage now.